Hey everyone, Devin with OBS Solutions, and are you like me and you're sitting around a bunch of truck parts in your shop or your garage that should be putting on your truck? Well, you better hurry your ass up because it's almost time for our No BS OBS Truck Show, August 16th and 17th at the Brooks Powerland Park. It's a rad time. If you never have been to our show or have ever heard about it, this is our 6th year. Last year we had over 500 trucks, and this year we're hoping to get that even bigger. Now, one thing Miss Lisa wanted to let me know to tell you is that she's shutting down pre-reg at the end of June. That way she can order all the t-shirts for all you guys that pre-regged. Now, besides the shirt, the discount on the shirt, it also pre-reg lets you get in on the raffle for John Carrick's, either his Dana 50 long travel kit or his Dana 60 coilover kit. Both are very, very awesome items. They're a full kit, and you just choose which one you want. I think it's like, what, Kenny, over $8,000 worth of item for his kids, something like that. The other thing about our lovely shit show, if you want to call it that, we sure do, is the area. If you haven't ever been there or heard about it, the Powerland Park is a big deal for Kenny and I. We grew up going there as kids. It is, I call it museums. Some people don't, but it does have museums, probably about what, 13 museums, ranging from classic semi-trucks to old tractors to hit-and-miss engines. They also have trains that the kids can ride on and adults can ride on as well. A fire engine museum as well, old motorcycle museum. It's an amazing area. Check it out. Anything else, Kenny? I think I'm missing something. What else was supposed to miss? Oh, camping. Let's say you want to camp. You can contact Powerland Heritage Park, and they will set up camping for you. It's a rad time, like I said. Well, food vendors. Oh, the raffle. That's right. Last year, we had $50,000 worth of raffle items. We have tons of vendors that come to us every year. CP Addicts. You've got Skies. You've got John Carrick. You've got Desolate. Greg from Desolate. Motorsports will be there, as well as Napa. There's a bunch more that I'm missing. I apologize. Every year, it gets bigger and bigger. Last year, we were giving away compressors and jack stands and suspension parts and all kinds of cool stuff. Oh, Power Motorsports gave away a dirt bike last year. A kid won a 65 Cowie. Pretty cool.
It's a 110.
Oh, it was the 110? I'm sorry, my bad. Anyway, check it out. It's on our website. The link is for you to register.
End of June.
End of June. Hurry up, people.
Also.
Oh, and more?
What do you get when you pre-register? You get into the event
a little bit early. Pre-reg people get in an hour early. Thanks, Kenny. Almost forgot about that. A lot of information here. You get in an hour early. That way it lets you get maybe a little better parking spot, a little better and maybe shaded area, a little kind of something cool.
All sorts of perks.
That's right. Check it out.
No BS, OBS, truckshow.com.
Couldn't say it better myself, Kenny. Thank you.